Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NBC Sports step by step clearly. To activate NBC Sports, begin by navigating to the NBC Sports website. Look for the activation page, which is usually linked directly on the home page. Choose the option to activate your device. You will see a list of supported devices. Select the device you are using from the list. Follow the provided instructions for your selected device. If prompted, open the NBC Sports app on your device. You may need to sign in using your cable or streaming service provider credentials. Once signed in, you will receive an activation code. Take note of this code, as you will need it shortly. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the NBC Sports activation website. Enter the activation code displayed on your device. Select your cable or satellite provider from the drop-down menu. Input your account login information if prompted. Submit the activation code to complete the process. Once activated, return to your device. Refresh the NBC Sports app or channel. You should now have access to all available content. Enjoy your viewing experience on NBC Sports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.